is the recording, the voice memo that I sent them. Okay.
Hey, this is Jenny from Cleveland, Ohio, and co-host of the U2 podcast featuring the Garden Tarts. My favorite U2 song when it comes to motivation is Love is Bigger Than Anything in Its Way. The beat and the vibe itself is uplifting and makes my soul feel light. And the lyric reminds me that when you lead with love, everything is possible. And that is certainly something our world needs more than ever today.
Oh, good
I
job.
was so excited, and I got, like, I guess they air starting on Fridays, and I got, like, 5 messages within, like, 5 minutes. "I just heard you on Sirius." People sent videos. It was hilarious.
I was in the car with my parents, and I don't know how it happened, but I just turned on radio and I heard, "Thank you, Jenny from Ohio." And I'm like, "Oh my god."
Like, what timing?
Yeah,
Yeah, so Phil Taggart runs that segment, and he's just an adorable U2 fan.
it really is.
Really is. But then after the song, so played that, then played Love is Bigger, and then afterwards they do a little thank you. And well, Philly Taggart called us something. Are you ready?
Podcast royalty. Podcast royalty.
I realize we do not have permission from SiriusXM or Phil Taggart to play that. So if we need to take it down, just tell us. You don't need to like sue us or cease and desist or any of these things.
Yeah, we'll just take it off.
It's fine.
Yeah.
But we had to share. He called us podcast royalty.
Oh my god.